Experts still can't fully explain all bioluminescent mechanisms. This ancient light holds profound secrets for our future. Experts still can't fully explain all bioluminescent mechanisms. This ancient light holds profound secrets for our future. Imagine life thriving in absolute, crushing darkness below. The deep ocean harbors many incredible glowing organisms. These creatures produce their own light, a stunning natural phenomenon. Bioluminescence illuminates the abyssal plains and deep ocean trenches. Yet, much remains unknown about these hidden, glowing wonders. How do they create such vibrant, cold, living light? What might their profound secrets reveal for all humanity? Unveiling these incredible depths requires cutting-edge technology. Remotely operated vehicles, ROV, like Jason, explore uncharted regions. Autonomous underwater vehicles, OV, map vast, dark ocean expanses. The Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute, MBARI, leads this research. They use specialized cameras, capturing faint, ethereal deep-sea glows. Consider Adala waivale, the alarm jellyfish, flashing brilliantly. Its rapid light production warns predators, protecting itself effectively. Scientists are discovering new bioluminescent species constantly, every year. Each new find deepens our understanding of deep-sea evolution. These discoveries are truly expanding our biological knowledge daily. We are just beginning to comprehend their diverse bioluminescence.
The future promises even more astonishing deep-sea revelations soon.
Bioluminescence relies on precise, intricate chemical reactions to occur.
Typically, luciferin reacts with luciferase enzymes rapidly.
This intricate process generates light with minimal heat production. Different organisms possess unique luciferin-luciferase systems, surprisingly. For instance, fireflies use one system, jellyfish use another. Scientists are meticulously cataloging these diverse chemistries now. Understanding these variations is crucial for future scientific breakthroughs. Synthetic biology aims to replicate these natural processes precisely. Imagine creating self-illuminating, eco-friendly streetlights for cities, or developing new non-toxic biological markers for medicine. The potential for innovation from this chemistry is truly vast. This fundamental research drives future groundbreaking applications forward. The medical field eagerly eyes bioluminescent applications today. Researchers are developing new diagnostic tools using these lights. Bioluminescent reporters track disease progression in patients real time. This helps monitor cancer growth or bacterial infections effectively. Imagine non-invasive tests glowing with critical patient information. For example, Dr. Sanjeev Samgambhir pioneered imaging techniques. He used bioluminescent proteins to visualize cellular activity clearly. These methods offer unparalleled sensitivity and specificity benefits. Future gene therapies could also employ bioluminescent markers. This allows doctors to confirm successful gene delivery accurately. The impact on personalized medicine could be truly revolutionary. Bioluminescence offers a beacon of hope for medical science. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.